The case was the first to be called at the Magistrates Court this morning. Crown Counsel Johan Fernandez revealed the alleged sexual assault is said to have occurred in a public place and made the complainant uncomfortable. Now, what was explosive were statements made by Mr. McGrail's lawyer, Charles Gomez. He suggested police officers had been offered jobs elsewhere in exchange for raking muck against his client. He also accused the police of basically jumping the gun and arresting his client before they'd completed their investigation. He said that by making the allegation, the woman has put herself at the centre of the most violent hurricane Gibraltar has ever seen. He drew a possible link between her complaint and what he described as a high-powered campaign against the former police commissioner. The court heard the woman had first gone to the Police Federation with the complaint. The Federation then took the matter to the inquiry, who then reported it to the RGP. Charles Gomez said his client had grave concerns over the motive, given that it is no secret the Police Federation was gunning for him. He said there were concerns as to whether the witness had been mentored and tutored by members of the Police Federation in regard to the complaint, and asked about the connection between them and the Chief Minister's office. Mr. Gomez said they will be issuing witness summons to officers involved, as well as filing a defence statement shortly. He urged the court to proceed with matters quickly and expressed frustration that police had not completed their investigation before charging Mr. McGrail. He described this as a shoot first, ask questions later scenario, and called for them to get their act together. Mr. Gomez also drew attention to the fact the case is being investigated by a private company, not something I've seen here in Gibraltar. The judge also said he wanted to know more about that. Stipendiary Magistrate Charles Peter agreed that the case should proceed quickly. He said it was a matter of public interest and concern. The case has been adjourned until the 5th of May, with a trial date set for a month later. In the meantime, Ian McGrail's bail continues. He left the court surrounded by family and friends. So, a lot to unpack there, and some more fuel to add to the fire that is the ongoing Mr. McGrail saga. We will, as always, continue to bring you the latest.